I be your star tonight?
Tell them what your name is. Tell them what your name is.
You fill my soul with light the day we met.
Tell them what your name is.
I don't wanna leave your side.
Tell them what your name is.
Have me by your side when the sun sets.
Tell them what your name is.
I don't wanna leave your side.
Tell them what your name is. Tell them what your name is.
My job was to fly the Lancair 360 along the coast in Jacksonville so the photographers and Laura could get a few pictures of it at her modeling gig, with the smoke on. Alright, and tonight's flight we are flying out to Jacksonville Beach. Sexy girl has a modeling gig. We'll be over Jacksonville Beach in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoke on.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally.
Tell them what your name is.
Thanks for Mike Lancair.
Take on departure 429 with you, climbing to 1,200 for 3,000.
Head 429, day 10 departure without contact, left turn heading 360, follow shoreline north.
Turtle 429, left 360, shoreline north.
Spruce Creek traffic, grid 5 planes downwind, runway 6, depart the pattern to the south. Oh, I just thought I might. Cyber Cub is departing. I have a helicopter in sight. Now, to the west. And White Hill Copter will stay at 800 feet, departing the pattern to the south. Pattern 475.
Creek traffic, White Lancair, 10 miles to the east, inbound for landing, creek traffic. Creek traffic, White Lancair, 6 miles to the east, 46, creek traffic.
There we go, Pat, I'll be right.
Creek traffic, White Lancair, 5 miles to the east will be fly south of the airport, then cross midfield and enter left downwind 46, creek traffic.
Go through traffic. RV lining up runway 6.
Alright, autopilot off. Creek traffic, White Lancair, 2 miles south of the field, will be overflying midfield, entering left downwind 46, looking for the RV.
RV is on the roll, runway 6.
Creek traffic, White Lancers, crossing midfield and entering left downwind 46, creek traffic.
Traffic.
Green to green,
And
baby.
our silver RV is in the downwind, runway 6, Spruce Creek.
Creek traffic, White Lancer, turning left base for 6, creek traffic. Okay, let's go to camera. Video mode.
Spruce Creek traffic, red biplane 3 miles south over Venetian Bay, running midfield crosswind runway 6, Spruce Creek.
500.
Creek traffic, White Lancer, turning final for 6, creek traffic.
And Spruce Creek traffic, a white helicopter inbound from the racetrack at 800 feet.
Reading the green.
Silver RV departing the pattern to the south.
Creek traffic, White Lancer on short final for 6, creek traffic. Alright, let's try to make this smooth on the center line. There we go. Power back.
Tell them what your name